Hey guys, how are you all? Today in this video, we'll be going to cover 100 plus irregular verbs in French. Common irregular French verbs are aller, aller means to go, je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles vont. A word to have, j'ai, toi, il, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. Dire means to say or to tell something. Je dis, tu dis, il, elle dit, nous disons, vous disiez, dites, ils, elles disons. Être means to be. Je suis, tu as, elle est, nous sommes, vous étiez, ils, elles sont. Faire means to make or to do something. Je fais, tu fais, il, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils, elles font. Pouvoir means to be able to do something. Je peux, tu peux, il, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils, elles pouvons. Savoir means to know something. Je sais, tu sais, il, elle sait, nous savons, vous savez, ils, elles savent. Voir means to see. Je vois, tu vois, il, elle voit, nous voyons, vous voyez, ils, elles voient. So vouloir means to want something. Je vois, tu vois, ils, elles voient, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils, elles voulons. And I'm going to give you an example of vouloir verb. If you want to say that we want to speak French. So you'll say nous voulons parler français. And common irregular verb pattern. Some verbs follow irregular pattern. Once you know these pattern, it's easier to identify and conjugate the irregular verbs. Here are several common irregular verbs pattern you will come across. Like verbs like prendre, verbs ending with prendre are all conjugated like prendre itself. Je prends, tu prends, il, elle prend, nous prenons, vous prenez, ils, elles prenons. So the verbs give ending with prendre are to be conjugated as it is like prendre is conjugated. Verbs like mete, mete and the verbs ending with mete all are the same pattern of conjugation as the mete have. Je met, tu met, il, elle met, nous mettons, vous mettez, il, elle mettons. So verbs like tenir and venir, they have the similar verb conjugation pattern and the verbs, some verbs which are to be conjugated like them. As I told you earlier, if you know the pattern, you will be able to identify very much quantity of verbs with learning only a variety of pattern. Je tiens, tu tiens, il, elle tient, vous tenons, vous tenez, ils, elles tenons. Je viens, tu viens, il, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils, elles venons. Now, these are the verbs which are to be conjugated like venir itself. Now, verbs like manger, this is the another category of er verb, that is ger verb. In this, the new category spelling is changed to add a soft sound to ge is added with the ending of ons in er verb, in ger verbs. The verbs ending with gr all have the same conjugation like manger. So ger, there are many verbs which are ending with gr. I have tried to mention as much as I can in this video to make you know all the ger and all the irregular verbs. Now verbs like lance that end in cer also have the spelling change with new form. The c changes to sir. There is something down to c to maintain a soft sound to c. Je lance, tu lances, il, elle lance, nous lançons, vous lancez, ils, elles lançons. So these are some CER verbs which are ending with CER as you can see, and they will be conjugated same itself like this is conjugated. Now verbs like payer, they are ending with YR, and another category of ER verbs, that is YER verb. And the YER verbs, the difference is that Y is changed into I in je, tu, il and else. Means except nu and vu, everywhere the y is changed to I. Je paye, tu payes, ils elles paye, nous payons, vous payez, ils elles payent. So all the verbs ending with YER are having the same conjugation as the paye is having. So verbs like ashite. Okay, till here, till YER verbs, we have studied three categories of ER verbs, that is GER verb, CER verb, and YER verb. In GER verb, there is a E added in nu form to make a soft sound. In CER verb, there is something down to C to make the C a soft sound with sir. And in paye, this YER verb, we are using I instead of Y in je, tu, il, and else. We have revised all the three and we have learned also. Now we are moving to another categories. Verbs like ashite. Verbs like ashite change the E in the root E in the je, tu, il, and else form. Just the E changes with E apostrophe to make E a softer and a rigid sound. You must understand, to make E into a softer and rigid sound, this changes. E changes to E apostrophe in je, tu, il, and else. I repeat myself that E changes to E apostrophe in je, tu, il, and else. It's very easy. If you crack the patterns, you'll crack all the verbs. So it is what it is given: je achete, tu achete, il, elle achete, nous achetons, vous achetez, ils, elles achetons. So achete means to buy something. The examples of achete are given in the ER verb conjugations. I made a video on that. You can go and watch it. Now these are some ER verbs, and these ER verbs are having a little different type of conjugation, that E changes to E apostrophe in je, tu, il, and else. So verbs like appeler. Finally, there are verbs like appeler that have a double final consonant in je, tu, il, else form. They have a double final consonant in je, tu, il, else form. Je appelais, tu appelais, il appelait, nous appelons, vous appelez, ils else appelons. So these are some verbs which is conjugated with the same form like appeler is conjugated. I tried my level best to mention the verbs. So appeler means to call. So we say na, je appelé, je m'appelle. This is we say je m'appelle something. Je m'appelle Rohan. Je m'appelle Riha. So this is what I call myself. Something to call. Okay, so hope this video was helpful for you, and I promise that if you go through this video fully, there will be no doubt of yours in irregular verbs. Not every type of irregular verbs. I'll not say that all the irregular verbs will be clear, because there are thousands of irregular verbs, but yes, some of them which comes in exams and some of them which are important will be clear. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and do like and do share the video, and comment down for any other topics if you want me to make a video on them.